So let's start. Question number 7. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. October 1942 variant. Question number 7. First task AI part. AI part I'm going to do is f of 3. So first of all, I have to copy function of f of x. So I'm copying as it is 7 minus 2x. How many x's you have? Empty spaces. How many x's you have? Empty spaces. So I will copy this minus 3 even left and right. Okay. So minus 3 come on left hand side and right hand side. And let's see what happens then. So f of minus 3 is equals to 7 and minus minus plus 6, 13. So I got this answer for the first A part clear. Let's go on the A part 2. I am doing A part 2 on the right hand side. Attentive please. What is the question? We have hg of 30. It means put 30 first of all in G. Because I have to put 30 in G, so I need to copy G here first. So let's copy first. A very easy task. Done. Sorry, this is X. Okay, I'm copying here X. Done. After this, what is the next plan? Next plan, I change my color of pen and how many I have X's, empty spaces. Every X by empty space. But I have to put this 30 in the place here and there. So 30 comes here and 30 comes here. I'm sure up till now you are not getting any issue. G of 30 left hand side, don't touch this 0 0 cancel, and I got 1 by 3. My half job is over. Now I'm writing the word again here because I have to put G of 30 where this value I got it, I have to replace in H. So where is H? H function is this, so I'm copying here. So when I copy H of X, so my students, I got 27 to power X. How many X's I have? I will leave empty spaces, not left, even right also. And this function name, let's change the color. This G of 30 will come here, and this 1 by 3 comes here. Repeat if you're not understanding. This is called function name will come here. This is called function value will come here. I think so all of you understanding up till now. Let's complete the question. So let me copy this G of 30 comes here. So G of 30. This 1 by 3 comes here. It means 1 by 3. And now what to do? Let's complete the question. Left hand side, I will not disturb at all. But right hand side, do you know what is 27? Maybe you don't know. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. So 1, 2, 3. It means 3 to power 3 is called 27. So I remove 27. I copy 3 to power 3. And here I'm writing 3 to power 3. On the top, we have 1 by 3. And let me tell you, power and power always multiply. If you're not happy, not understanding what I'm explaining, let me explain. If I have a 3 power 2 on the top power 4, this power to power, they multiply. It becomes 8. Similarly, if I have another example, I want to elaborate a little bit more. For example, P to power 7, and on the top, I have 1 by 7. So what happens? 7 times to 1 by 7, 7, 7 cancels. Similarly, 3, 3 cancels, and I get 3 to power 1 and 3 to power 1. I think you know or not. So whenever any power 1, answer becomes 3. So this is my first part. I think very, very clear. And let me just wait a minute, please. Now, okay. So next part is a third part. How do a third part? Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. It actually we have to find inverse of x. So first of all, what I will copy function of f as it is. So first of all, copy as it is, exactly copy. Step number 1, remove function name and write y. Any function name, write y. Okay. Step number 2, currently we have a y subject, but we have to make a x subject. I repeat my words. How to manipulate to get x subject? First of all, I will bring this 2x on the left hand side. Okay, I tell you 2 ways. First, you bring 7 here. Y minus 7 equals to minus 2x. Now this minus 2 multiplying with x. You know that reverse process of the multiplying is division. Okay, but I need to make x left hand side and this value on the right hand side. So x will come here and y minus 7 by minus 2. Remember, when I shuffle both sides same time, fully, no sign change at all. And now I will use a word interchange. X becomes y and y becomes x. This is a very important process. After this last and final step, this y replace and write f inverse. And this is my final step. I'm going to write, and now some student asked me, sir, this is my answer. But I have another way. What? Y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Can I bring 2x on the this side, and y on the other side? Yes, it is possible. And now to divide, yes, it is possible. Interchange, x become y and y become x. And this is also same. It means you have two answer style. One is 7 minus x by 2. This answer or this answer. Perfectly same. This is the idea behind. So, all right, now I'm doing B part. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. B part, question is what? G of 2x plus 1 equal to 4. So it means first, if you have this kind of question, look at here, it means this whole value put in G. So first of all, I copy this G function here. Done. Now in the place of x's, I will leave empty spaces, not 1x. How many x's? Empty spaces. Now I will put this 2x plus 1 even here and here. So let's see what happens. 2x plus 1 comes here and 2x plus 1 comes here. After this, you know that this g of this one, look at here. I repeat again, maybe you're not. Okay, look at here. I rub this one and this whole thing is values 4. Repeat. This whole thing value is 4. It means I will remove this full part and copy this 4 here. So I'm copying. That's it. That's it. Because some student asks, how you got 4, sir, here? Reason, look at here. Look at here in this circle. G of 2x plus 1 is equals to 4. So it means the whole thing is equals to 4. That is why. Now simply cross multiply. This is multiplying with the 4. It look like this one, equals to 10. 4 2s are 4 1s are. So I can write it here. 4 2s are 8x. 4 1s are 4 equals to 10. So 8x here, and this 4 comes on the right hand side. It becomes 10 minus 4 becomes 6. And now 6 by 8 I can write like this, or simplest form, 2 3s are 2 4s are. This is my answer. I hope so. This part is over. Let's go for the next plan, which is part number C. So let's go for C part. C part I am doing here. What C part says? This one I'm copying here. 1 over f of x plus g of x. Okay, first of all, what I will do, I will copy the values. F of x has a value. What value? F of x 7 minus 2x. So I'm copying in denominator 7 minus 2x. But what is the value of g of x? 10 by x. So I'm copying 10 by x. Now I will take LCM because I can't take common from the denominators. So what is LCM? The product of both numbers. Okay, after that, this x multiply here, done. And this value multiply here, that done. So 1 times 2x and 10 times 2, 7 minus 2x. I got is, and 10 sevens are 70 comes, and 10 twos are 20 comes. And denominator, I will not multiply as said before. Okay. Now this minus 20 and plus x. If you don't know, I'm doing here. So look at here. Here, when signs are opposite, we always subtract. We got negative 19x. So I'm writing my answer 70 minus 19x divided by 7 minus 2x times 2x. So that's it. This idea is very clear. Okay, the last part is what here? Part D. Part D is what? H inverse of 19683. You know, just before I solve that, I said you, when H inverse of, for example, 3 equal to anything. Okay, let me tell you, if nothing is here, nothing is here. You can put anything, but best idea is X. I repeat my question. If I have a P of inverse of 3 or 13 equal to nothing, here nothing, then you would write always X. And when this you know, when inverse will go on other end, 3 copy, X copy, this H inverse turn to be only H. It turned to be this. Similarly here, how to handle this matter? 13 copy, X copy, this P inverse goes there and P inverse goes away, it turns to be this. So same process I'm going to apply here. You can understand very clearly. I'm taking as a X. Now when I bring H inverse on this side, what will happen? So 19683 copy, so X copy, but this inverse become only function. So I am copying like this. Do you know what is H of X? Yes, we know. 27 to power X. I'm copying here. That's it. Now problem here, this number, I don't know what is this equivalent to. But one a key point, what is number? 27. So you'll try some numbers like 27 to power 2, 27 to power 3, 27 to power 4, check. For example, I'm checking for you. 27 to power 2 is coming 729, which is not matching with that. Go for next. This is called trial and error method. This number is matching with perfectly with that. It means 27 to power 3 is coming here. So I'm copying 27 to power 3 here, 27 to power X. Because 27 and 27 match, write a one sentence. What sentence? Same basis. Same basis. Okay, when I write same basis, then what is that? Cancel the bases and take the powers. It means the answer is coming X is equal to 3, and that's it. And question is fully over. So